So, distributing the x through the parentheses here, we get x squared plus x squared plus x bigger than or equal to 20. Subtract 20 from both sides and you get x squared plus x minus 20 is bigger than or equal to 0. And then we can factor this, x times x plus times minus to get a negative on the end. The product is 20 and the difference is 1, so it's 5 times 4. With the larger number 5 going with the plus because the middle term is positive. Okay, now we can determine where this is positive or is equal to 0 by making a line for each of the two factors and a line for the product. So this will be the line for x plus 5, x minus 4, and the product of the two. So first of all, when x is equal to negative 5, then x plus 5 is 0. So here's negative 5 on all three number lines. And when x equals 4, then x minus 4 is 0. So x minus 5 is 0 when x equals negative 5, and it's positive to the right when x is bigger and negative to the left. X minus 4 is 0 when x equals 4, and it's positive when x is bigger than 4 and negative when x is less than 4. So now we have a negative times a negative is a positive. Anything times 0 is 0. A positive times a negative is a negative. Anything times 0 is 0 here, and a positive times a positive is a positive. So we see where this product is positive or 0. Graphing this then, the positives are to the left of negative 5 and to the right of positive 4. So solution set is everything to the left here, everything to the right, and we're also including everything at the points 4 and negative 5 because that's equal to 0 at those points. So that's the graph of the solution set. If we think of negative infinity as living at the end of the line on one side to the left and positive infinity to the right, that helps to come up with the interval notation for this. Negative infinity all the way up to negative 5, including the negative 5, union everything from 4, including 4, up to infinity. And then finally, in set builder notation, we have this is the set of all x such that x is less than or equal to negative 5, or x is bigger than or equal to positive 4. So those are three ways of expressing the solution set to this quadratic inequality.